Welcome everybody back to the channel. On my last couple of videos we did our first outing out, and it was a great learning experience for us. We are absolutely brand new to caravanning, we're absolutely brand new to towing the vehicle, and hopefully we've resolved some of those issues. Some of the little issues we had while we were out on our first trip was, first of all, the grey water. I only had one pipe instead of two, and we had to go into the tank, so that caused a bit of an issue. I was sort of lining up the hole with the hole on the Caravan, trying to catch the water, which is not suitable or ideal. So we went on to Amazon and we bought this, which I don't think was that expensive, to be fair. It was about 11 quid. So, and anybody who was a plumber or anything could quite easily rustle up something like this, but basically that goes into your outlets and then that goes into your tank. Oh, I have a sticker. So we've got that, so we'll be doing a setup on that on our next trip. So our next trip is coming up very soon. Now, one of the problems we did have was, for the aqua roll, was this pipe. So what was happening when that was attached to the Caravan, that kept curling up like that in the cold. Now, thank you very much for all the comments on the other videos on how to resolve this. One of it is obviously put it in warm water, and I'm sure through the summer that won't become much of an issue, but quite a few people did say actually getting some pipe and attaching it to that, so basically it stays nice and straight in the water. So that is what I'm going to do. This pipe I did actually get off a friend who works in the caravan industry, so it is all water safe, etc. So I'm going to attach this to this and then give it a test out, and hopefully we'll get some good flowing water. If we get some good flowing water, which I assume we will do, I'm going to retest the shower again, and also just make sure I heat up the water longer, and sort of somebody suggested that we basically, when you're in the shower, you sort of turn the water on and off intermittently to have your shower. So I'm going to try that as well. We're also going to try the side facilities. So a couple of little jobs today: get this pipe sorted, test it out, get this in the Caravan. We've got ourselves already unpacked up, so all the bits and pieces that we missed last time we have now got. And we're all sorted. So really, it's a case of hooking up, going, and setting up, and getting some food. Hopefully, on the next trip, I'm going to be setting up the awning, so that'll be interesting. We've got a Vango RV2, I think it is, one of the inflatable things, which is designed for the Swift Basecamp 2, because obviously the Swift Basecamp 2 has the door at the back and not the side. So this is actually made for Swift, for this type of caravan. So we'll get that set up, and we've got a carpet for it as well. So give us a bit of extra room. We've also got some other bits and pieces. So let's get into it. So we have set up the pipe, as you can see. Now that will keep it nice and straight. So when it goes into the aqua roll, there we go. So I'm just getting used to my new gimbal I had for my birthday recently. It sort of moves and everything. It's the DJI one, same as my drone. So I'm just getting used to that. It's sort of moving everywhere. So yeah, really good. So first of all, thank you very much to everybody who watches our videos. We are, as I mentioned before, we are new to YouTube. We are new to caravanning. Thank you very much for all the likes. Thank you very much for all the dislikes. That means people are engaging. And thank you very much for all the comments. There have been some really good positive comments that have helped us, and we've taken them on board, we've read them, and we've gone through them, and hopefully I've responded to everybody. I do like to respond to people, so if you do leave a comment, if you look at the profile, I do have an email address, so if you do want to contact us, please do. We're always open to suggestions and things like that. If you are another sort of blogger and you want to collaborate or anything like that, please let us know as well. Just drop us an email. So yeah, happy caravanning, and thank you very much for watching. Yes, please subscribe, please like. Thank you.